everybody, my name is Carrie Ward and I wanted to come by and give you a little information on the MyEcon business I've recently joined. In less than 2 months I've been able to increase my credit score by 150 points. I am so excited about that, all while increasing my income as well. Now we do have a great marketing system. It's called the Income Shift Pro system. It helps you to market your business. It's an amazing business opportunity. There's people joining every day, and I hope it's one of the people will be you, and I hope to see you on the other side.
Hi, my name is Rick. Thank you for the opportunity to share this video with you. I'm super excited and happy that I found and joined MyEcon. I joined MyEcon for several reasons: to correct my taxes, increase my credit score, and maximize my income. Now that the Income Shift Pro marketing system is here, everything I need to market MyEcon is included and available. I am generating leads and increasing my income every week. Thank you, MyEcon, and especially thank you to the folks that developed the Income Shift Pro marketing system.
Hi guys, this is Mark, and I'm so glad that I had decided to start MyEcon business. You know, my credit score was like in the toilet, literally. And after going through the program, I raised my credit score by 200 points. And it's the Income Shift Pro marketing system that made that possible with MyEcon. It's going to be the best year ever. Every week I see more and more money coming in. This is going to be a great year. And you too need to get in to MyEcon and the Income Shift Pro marketing system. See you there.
Hey, this is Devon. I just want to say that having your credit repair is great. The increase of my credit score helped me to get a low interest rate for a new SUV loan. Thanks to the credit repair system, I was able to walk into the dealership and choose the vehicle that I wanted. The MyEcon Pro Shift marketing system is awesome. It is helping so many people, and I'm glad to be connected.
Hello everyone, my name is David Paxton. Today is a monumental day for me. You can see the building behind me. You can see that that is a Home Depot store. I am proudly walking out of that store for the last time. I have been working there for 19 and a half years. Thanks in large part to MyEcon. This is the end of my working journey. I can now start enjoying retirement. If you haven't heard of MyEcon, you need to take a look. There'll be a link below here. But you want to take a look and look at all the different ways that you can make some massive savings in your taxes by fixing your W-4 that you have with your employer. There's some great income shifting ideas, building businesses. You need to be building a side income. If you're not building a side income, I'd be asking you why in the world you're not. Take a look at MyEcon and you'll discover how easy it is, and for 35 bucks you can massively change your life. God bless. Take care.
Hey guys, it's Cindy Shelton. I couldn't let another moment go by without making a testimonial. I am in my back office on my computer of MyEcon looking at my commission reports for this week's paycheck, and I am just once again blown away. I've been receiving a paycheck every week for 10 weeks now, direct deposit to my bank, and this is so good. I've actually signed up my husband under me a few weeks ago because we want to get him retired within the next year, and I believe MyEcon is the vehicle to do it. So not only do we help you get your credit score up over 750, we also teach you how to shift your income, get your taxes straightened around, shift your income, get out of debt, plus accumulate wealth, and you get paid to do the whole thing. How great is that? We've just also added a new marketing system. It's going to be released in the next day or two called Income Shift Pro, which will put this on automation for you. I cannot wait to start using that. And then we also have some other team build mechanisms. Don't miss this one. Check out the links below. See you on the inside.
Hey, my name is Jerry, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let you know how excited I am that I started MyEcon home business. Since I have started this business, my income has risen, my credit score has risen using the products inside the system, and using the Income Shift Pro system, which is available to us, I have all of the tools that I need to promote my econ business. So I can't express how excited I am, because I know this is absolutely going to be my best year ever.